Hello everyone, welcome back. So in our previous video, we saw how we can use regular expression and what is regular expression inside Python. And we saw like with the help of regular expression, we can easily extract any kinds of information from a data, just writing few line of code, right? So here in this particular video, we'll try to extract actually email address with the help of regular expression from a text. I can see here I'm having a text. Inside the text, actually, I'm having different email address. You can see. So this is one of the email address. This is another email address. This is another email address. Okay, you can add some more email address. Otherwise, you can also go to any website and you can copy the data. You will see different email address would be there. You can also paste it and you can also extract those are the email address. Okay, let's say there is a task you have to extract the email address. Okay, from a very big document. Let's say you are having very big documents. From that, you have to extract the email address. It's not possible manually. Just try to copy paste, right? It will take lots of time. You have to find out yet again. You have to copy. You have to paste it. So again, it's a very hectic task. So with the help of regular expression, you can easily do it. So let's say this is my entire documents. Okay. Now here, with the help of regular expression, I'll be extracting the email. So for this, first of all, what you have to do, I think I told you, you have to write a pattern. So let me define a pattern. Now see, as I already told you, regular expression is very big actually topic inside Python. So simply, I will show you one actually hack you can follow. Just go to Google and search for any kinds of pattern. Let's say you want to extract, extract email with regular expression regex pattern. Okay, pattern in Python. Now see, there would be different website actually. So you can open up any kinds of website. Let's say I will open this website and there you will see the pattern. Okay, the pattern actually they're using. So you can see they're using this particular pattern. Okay, this pattern actually they're using in their code. You can see this is the pattern. So what I'll do, I'll copy the pattern and I will open up my code editor. Inside that, I'm going to paste it. Okay, let's see, this is my pattern. So first of all, what I have to do, I have to import regular expression. So import RE. Then simply I'll just write RE dot. There is another actually function you can use called find all. Okay, it will give you all the, let's say, results. Okay, all together. Inside that, you have to pass the pattern first of all. Then you have to pass the text, the entire text actually you have. Now it will return me all the emails. So I'll just store in a variable called emails. Now if I simply print this particular emails, if I just execute, see, it will give me all the emails. Okay, you can see this is the mails actually I'm getting. So you can see it is extracting all the email from this particular text and it is giving me. And I'm also getting some unnecessary text. So what I can do, I can apply for loop here. So for email in emails, and I'm going to print all the emails. Now see, if I execute, I'll get all the email one by one. Okay, so that's actually with the help of regular expression, you can easily extract any kinds of information. And this is the pattern actually you have to use. Okay, now you don't need to remember the patterns because there are so many patterns actually in regular expression. So personally, I don't also remember. What I do, if I need any kinds of pattern, I just try to Google it and I try to copy and I try to use it in my code. Okay, now see, inside this particular pattern, what is happening? I'm extracting actually email, and inside email, what are the, let's say, things would be there? It should be one actually, let's say, name. So here I'm asking, I need all the character, let's say lowercase a to z, even uppercase a to z, and if it is also contains some, let's say, numbers. Okay, I also need these are the numbers and symbol. Okay, so if this is present, okay, if this is present before @ sign, okay, also @ sign would be there. Okay, and after @ again there would be a text. You can see a to z and 0 to 9. That means it can contain any kinds of number as well. Then after that, if some dot is there, okay, like if that means if you're using any company email, you will also have some dot. Okay, after dot, you will be writing co.uk. Okay, like that. So if it is also there like that, so if it is there like that, I'm also considering this is an email address. So this is a complete, actually, you can see pattern for the email address extraction. It looks a little bit complex, but if you read that particular meta character, I showed you one website, meta character. Just try to see all the meta character description, you will automatically get it. Okay, why they're using this particular character, this particular character, this particular character, everything there will be. So everything is written in that website. Okay, if you just read it, you will get the idea. Okay, why they're using. Otherwise, you can do like me, just go to Google, search the pattern, copy the pattern, and try to use it in your code. Okay, that's the idea. So yes, that's how we can extract any kinds of information with the help of regular expression. So with that, thank you so much for watching this particular video, and I will see you next time.